Quality means seals that don't burst, means joints that don't break, containing what needs to be contained and protecting what needs to be protected. When your products are used to save lives, nothing less than the absolute best is acceptable. So how do you ensure that you are only producing the best? You test. Zaxis leak testers have sensitivity and accuracy purpose-built for the medical manufacturing industry. The configurable design of Zaxis leak testers make them ideal for any application, from disposable supplies and diagnostic equipment to large devices. Zaxis offers a broad selection of pressure ranges and flow rates, as well as the ability to have multiple channels and multiple test types in a single tester. Zaxis can help you validate adherence to standards such as FDA and ASTM and beyond to your own company standards of quality and peace of mind. Speak to one of our sales engineers today about your application and how we can help ensure that your production process is producing only the best.